Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create a GitHub account and within the GitHub, how we can create a repository and how we can clone that repository to our local machine. So first, let's open your browser and give github.com. So there you can find sign up option. Click on sign up and GitHub account creation is free. So here, what exactly username you want to give, you can give that username and that must be unique. And if you're giving any username which a user already taken, it is going to tell you, so it is not available. So I'm going to give a unique username. So then give an email ID. Then set up a password. Make sure you set up a strong and secure password. All right. So then, if you want to get email or announcement, product offers or updates, you can get this. And please solve the puzzle so we can know that you are a real person. Just click on verify. So touch the arrows to roll that images. So then. So the image is correct now. Just click on done. All right. So within 12.3 seconds, I did that. So just click on select next step plan. So we are good with the free plan. So if you want to go with the professional plan or if you want to go with the team, so team for open source, again, it's going to be free and team for commercial purpose. So basically you can pick that. So let me just go back and I'm going to select individual and a free plan. So we can create unlimited public repositories. Public repository means the access is going to open for everyone. And unlimited private repositories limited to 3 collaborators for private repositories. That is a limitation we have. And you can use issues and bug tracking and project management. But whenever you're going with the pro version, so you can just go with the code owners and protected branches, wikis, unlimited collaborations, including all these. All right, so we are good with the free plan. So just go and choose free. So then, how much programming experience do you have? So then you can just go and select. So I'm going to select none. So based on your experience, you can just select that. So none. So learn to clone, learn Git and GitHub. So then I'm interested in just you can give that or you can skip this step if you want. So then it is asking you to verify your email address. So you're going to get a mail from GitHub and just go here and click on verify email address. All right, the email was verified. So then it is asking us to create a new repository. So this is the owner and what is a repository name you want to give. So I want to call this repository as, so I'll just give my name and I'll just give my name. So this name must be unique only within your GitHub, not across the globe and all. What is the description? So I'm going to call this as my first repo in GitHub. And is it going to be a public repository or you want to go with the private? So I'll go with the public repository and initialize this repository with a readme file. And if you want to add any gitignore file formats, you can just go here and you can pick that. We will talk about that. So, and if you have any license, you can just go and you can add that license here. So I'm just keeping this none. Then click on create repository. And we are going to use this account as remote repository. All right, so repository is created and here you can see a readme file. All right, so now this repository, this is running in GitHub. Technically it is running in cloud. Now I'm the user who is going to work on, but again, I'm not going to work within this browser. I'm going to perform all the changes and everything in my local machine. Since this session is struct, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to take a duplicate session. And default username is EC2 user. So then sudo space su. So if you observe, we got our first project That is absolutely fine. I'll do one thing. I'm going to create another directory, mkdir, and the project name is Avinash, right? So I created that. So now let me go inside that Avinash directory. So now I want to clone this entire project into my local machine. So in simple, go here, clone or download. So this is a URL you can use to clone this project from GitHub. So then the command is git clone. So then give that URL, click on enter, and it is saying it's cloning into Avinash. So this is a brand new directory we just created a minute back. And if you give ls, all right, we got another directory called Avinash. Let's go inside that. If you gave ls, we got that readme.md. And if you observe that readme.md, there you can see my first repo in GitHub, the same thing we have here. All right, so that is how exactly you can create a repository and how to clone that repository to our local machine. So here is a command, git space clone, then whatever the URL you got in GitHub account, you can give that. So that is going to completely clone to in what directory we are. So there it is going to clone. So now this is cloning under /home ec2-user Avinash, and then again a folder called Avinash. All right, so we are going to deep dive into more options like a push and pull, merge these things in our coming videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys.